Hello everyone. Let's use this video to continue to our ArchiMetal, this view modeling. So this figure 02 is talking about the value stream. It's our one high level, or we can treat that as the level one, the value stream, because it's talking the quite complete the view for the ArchiMetal to produce the deal products. It's starting to acquire the material, manufacturing, and store, sell, and distribute. So let's do this. So it's not a complicated view, but we can compare this if I open the ArchiSurance, the model we did before. So if we come to the business architecture in the figure 11, we did ArchiSurance value stream as well. So compared to the insurance company, this is the manufacturing company. Insurance company is just a develop financial product or insurance product, make and sell and manage policy and save customer, because insurance company, those products you can consider like the soft product. But for our ArchiMetal, we need to do so. Normally, we call that is the hard product or the actual the steel. So that is the different product the industry drive to the different value stream. So let's go over ArchiMetal the model. So previously we did this the business unit organization mapping, and as when we did that is we just drag and drop, so they all in the root folder. Let's make that inside a subfolder, so that is a better way for you to when we have more and more element, then you got is easier to manage. So here, the value stream, we will do that in the strategy layer. These also are kind of different to the ArchiSurance, the case study, because ArchiSurance, as I mentioned the last time, is in the phase-by-phase view. So normally you focus on the strategy phase, the layer, then you go to the business layer, then go to the layer after layer, the downstreams. But for ArchiMetal case study, you will face that is jumping across the different layer, because this not in this TOGAF the sequence. Is coming from the enterprise architecture design, the process. So last view we used the business layer to model the organization. Now today is we use the strategy layer to model the value stream. So we have the produce steel products. Since we only have a few this value stream, we just put them into the same folder structure. But when we have more value streams, I can show you is better. You have this as the parent's value stream, then you create a folder and put the sub value stream, or normally is we call the value stage or value step. So inside a folder, so then they are not mixing each other. So that is also the suggestion for you to do that. You can also make a prefix with the number, but since it's not too many stages, let's just make it as is. Store product, sell products. Last one is the distribute products. Then let's see. So we will create duplication of the default view so that we have those by default the header, title, and the labels. Then let's rename figure02 value stream. And what we will do is we drag all of them in together, then this is our top one. So you can either use this just the default one, or you can change that to this value stream part. That is depends on your preference. But when you change that, you may not have a way to adjust this the size. So if that is overlapping, it will be not looks good. So to me, it's actually I like all the notation or the element just like this rectangle, because that's make the looks in kind of the consistent. So that is no good and bad. So you can select your V. So let's do this. Then from this value stream to value stream, let's see. So from the magic, the relation, you can see you have a quite flexible the relationship you can choose. But normally is we use the trigger. And on this case study, they also use a trigger as well, so that we know you first do this stage, then move to the next stage. So you can press Shift and click trigger, then freezing or lock this one, and you can just drag continuously. Then after you did, you see here is kind of the lock, because it's locked for only adding this specific selected the relation. You need to press ESC to exit from this locking stage. So here is you can put inside and use the composition. So that is what I mentioned is here looks is you need to enlarge this view. So you can also change this to here. So that is looks similar to this view, and then you can make that smaller, and right click is I will use my script to update the dates and the owner. So now is the today. So that's all for this value stream, and the next video we will do the business process modeling for this manufacturing industry. So specific, then we can feel what's the difference between these with the ArchiSurance. If you want to look at the ArchiSurance video, go to my another list of the video that's already the complete the series of the ArchiSurance modeling. So thank you for watching. See you next time.